Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Techy channel. So in the last tutorial, you can see how we can open the browser in the normal tab. So now we can see how we can open the window, Edge or might be the Chrome, how we can open incognito or in private window. So the first thing, if you don't do these steps, for example, go to the manage extensions and you can enable these things. So right now you can see this allow incognito and similar for the Edge as well. If you not do these things, so this is the first step which we need to do. And after this, when I check here, for example, start. When I go and check here, start web page. So here I have only see this navigator is edge or might be these things. And I don't know any option how, I don't have any option like this, open in incognito mode or private web or might be something's option. It's not available. So by default, it will go to this normal window, how normally open the things. So if you want to open these things in incognito mode, so then we need to follow the two steps. Our first step is which we did, this extension should be done after this. So you need to create one sample, one shortcut. So under the shortcut, when I click on this one, so it got open this incognito window. So like this, we need to create for both things. If you are using only the Chrome, then go for the Chrome. If you're using Edge as well, you can go for Edge. So now how we can create these things? And just right click here. So once you right click here, go to this more options. After this, go to this properties. Under this properties, we can see this target. So in this target, you need to give this incognito. So this is for the Chrome. And similar way, you can go to the same steps, follow there. And here we can see this in private. So if you want to open incognito window in the Chrome, you need to use this incognito. So the same thing is not available in the Edge. So we need to use this private. Okay, now when I double click on this any of this shortcut, so it will navigate to the my respective things. So this should be this done. So once this is done, the next we need to create this one batch file. So basically here don't have any other option. So we need to use here application. So with this application only, we are opening the things. So start application is there something where it is. Let me start. Yeah. So with the help of this application, we are able to open that things. So when you check here, so the target is also mandatory here. So that's why we need to create one more step here. So which is bat file. So just open this notepad and this is a thing for if you check here. So this is for the Edge and this is for the Chrome. Okay, now just save this as I'm saving this as. So let me go to here and I will save this as what is this? This is for Chrome. So I will make it as chrome.bat. If you want incognito, you can add that also fine. So no issues. And similar way, this is for Edge, no? So just I will save this as for the Edge. So let me save this as Edge. I will go and update the same thing in the same path. So let's go coding files, SAP VP, and this is for Edge. So now we created bat files as well. Now go to this particular location and just double click whether we are able to open these files or not, whether the applications. So this application is also able to open. So now this is done. Okay. Now go to this Canva. Under this Canva, you need to create one application again. So you don't know how to create this application. So this is for Edge. So I'm creating for Edge in private. Just click on that create. So when you're targeting the web application, basically we can see this here web things. Now whatever you're targeting the window, no, this go to the UI element. So this is not related to the now. It's not going to this normal browser. So when you check here UI automations and web browser. So when you check this web browser, this is not highlighting because it is in the properties of incognito window. So now when I go and remove these filters and I can see something here, I will show that as well. So we need to understand how the thing is working here. So now our main agenda is just open that application. Open application in private window or might be the incognito window. So now when you check here, I got this in private window. Open, not this one only. So why the screen is not popping? So let me check. Okay, just me click on that next. Okay, this should be okay. It's targeting that window, so no issues. So it's targeting that window. Now here, when you check here, so it will take some time, and you can see this advanced option here. There is no scroll downs. So because this application is calculating as a UI is you can see this technology. So UI automation capture. So basically, when you're targeting this web, generally it will consider as a web, but in this specific case, only for the purpose of opening this automation, it will take it as a UI element, like it consider as a one application. Okay, now it captured all the steps here. Now just go to this application. Okay, I created this edge in private. And later you can do the steps, whatever the steps is there. So these are not similar, no issues with that. So now we are just targeting, we want to open this application. That's it. Apart from no need anything. And we can see this technology is UI automation and recognition order is one. So it has captured very properly. There is no issues with this. And advanced also you can do the same things, multiple instance, capture this quality. So this it depends upon you. So as of now, just keep it like this. And we can just criteria and these things are done. Okay, now go to this browser. So once you came this automation, so we need to drag and drop the start application. So yeah, start an application is done. After it's targeting, so here my target window is in private, edge in private. So just click on that confirm. So after this, we can see this path and directory. Right now we are working on the path. So just open this and give this path. So right now we are targeting this edge now. So just copy this path and update this thing. Save expression, and now everything is got ready. Just click on this play button and save it all. So it will take couple of seconds to run the automation, and now right now it will open in the incognito, sorry, in private incognito, both of the same here. So now it will open the edge application in private mode. So just wait couple of seconds, we can see that. Okay, now when you check this, it's got in incognito window. Similar way, we can try for this Pro. And if you have any doubts, post a comment in the comment section. I will try to help you on that point.